guys, happy Thanksgiving. Okay, so I'm already up. I started my food yesterday, which was Thanksgiving Eve. Nobody says that anymore. They don't reference it like Thanksgiving Eve anymore, but I still do. So Thanksgiving Eve, I already cooked the majority of my stuff. The last thing I'm doing right now is my greens, my collard greens. But I already got I bought a chicken breast, I did yams, and I got stuffing already baking in the oven again. And I'll tell you about that in a minute. And then I have my macaroni and cheese already done, and I already ate out of it last night when I made it. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. So I already ate out of that last night because I could not wait. But I had to reheat or recook my food again. Not recook it, but just cook it longer, because yesterday I was having a problem with my oven. My oven was smoking like it was like no tomorrow. I don't know what was wrong. It was smoking, so I decided to take everything out, turn it off. And when I mean smoking, it was smoking real bad. Like the whole house was filling up with smoke. And I was just like, this isn't normal, something ain't right. So luckily I had some oven cleaner in my supply cabinet, and I took everything out, turned the oven on, let it cool down. It was like a little bit warm. I didn't let it fully cool down. It was still a little bit warm, and I used the oven cleaner, and I cleaned out all the grease at the bottom, the racks, just cleaned everything out. And I was like, if I turn this oven back on tomorrow morning and it still smoke up like that, I gotta call my landlord because something wrong. But right now, as you can see, there's no smoke coming out. Like yesterday when I opened the door, it would be like a whole bunch of smoke just coming out. And so it's not doing it now. So I guess that was the problem. It just needed to be clean. But I wanted to show you guys how I do my greens. So I'm doing my greens in the crock pot. I do this like this every year. These are my greens here. So right now I have the turkey necks in, I have the red pepper flakes, I have chicken broth in here, I have garlic in here, I have a little pinch of brown sugar, and let me think what else. My red flakes, my garlic, chicken broth, my turkey necks, brown sugar, and I believe that is it for now. And I put like a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt and pepper in there, but that's what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna put it on for 4 hours on high, and these are my greens. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all in the pot, let this cook, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And I cook my greens in the crock pot all the time, every year, since I've started learning how to make them, which is like, honestly, the first time I made collard greens was like 5 years ago. 5 years ago, and it came out perfect. Like, you would have thought I'd been making greens like forever. And I had just learned that year. So I'll show you the end results of that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get everything else going, and I will be back to show you all of my dishes and how it looks, okay? Hey guys, so I am back. I am dressed. I'm about to head out because my cousin invited me over to his house for Thanksgiving. So that's where me and my children are about to go. So I'm going to show you my outfit if I can show you it good in this mirror. Let's see. Try to zoom in a little. So I just got these leopard shorts on, and this top, this outfit came from Express. I ordered it a while back for my son's kindergarten graduation. So this is what I wore, these shorts and this top. It is like, you know, simple, basic, but it could be dressed up some. So as some of you may or may not know, I live in Alabama, so today is actually very warm. It is 70, I think today's supposed to get up to like 75 or 76. And basically I have this deodorant that I've been using because I have a sweat issue. Okay, I don't know, I've sweated real bad on my underarms, especially when it's warm or hot weather, since I was a teenager. And I try to avoid like light color shirts. I've always worn more dark color shirts, black, for that reason, because I sweat profusely under my underarms and it's embarrassing to have the sweat spots under your arms. But today I don't have a shirt on where you will see any sweat spots, but I found this deodorant that I've been using that has been working very well for me, especially since I, you know, sweat a lot. And I didn't want, and sometimes even with like shirts like this that I'm wearing, like you'll still like see some sweat coming down even when I don't have like a regular shirt on. So this is the deodorant I've been using. It's called Duradry. I got the AM one, and this one is really good if you sweat a lot. Okay, and like I said, I've been using this for a while, and it's been helping tremendously, especially with shirts with sleeves. I've noticed a difference when, you know, it's getting hot. I can feel myself like sweating, and my shirt, my underarms, the pits of my underarms of the shirts is not like drenched or wet, or you don't see wet spots. So this is definitely a good thing to try out. It's called Duradry. This is the AM one. You don't need to put on a little bit. You don't have to go like up and down 50 million times. Just put it on one time and it holds you throughout the whole entire day. Basically, if you get odor, which I don't have a problem with odor, I just have a problem with sweating. So, but it helps you if you do have a bad odor, and it helps you to stay dry all day long. So if you want to try this Duradry deodorant, they have the AM, the PM, and they have a body wash. So you go on their website. I'll have the link in the description below. Also, I have a coupon discount for you guys to use if you do decide to go ahead and order the Duradry deodorant. Let me know how it works for you. Leave a comment below if you do order it, and let me know, like, once you've used it a couple of times, you know, does it work for you? So this is a great solution, like I stated, if you have issues with being sweaty and with odor. Okay, so like I said, all the information will be in the description below about this Duradry deodorant. Hey Galore babes, today is Sunday the 27th, I believe, November 27th, or 28th, I don't know, but I'll have the date somewhere here so you can see. Right now I'm heading to the laundromat, which I hate and dread because I have a washer and dryer, but my dryer works, my washer stopped working on me, so I have to go to the laundromat to wash my clothes. And then I come back home and I dry them. So I'll show you my washer and dryer. It just sucks that I have to go to the laundromat just to wash my damn clothes. So, as you can see, I have a dryer and a washer. My washer turns on if you want to today. My washer turns on, but it will not start a cycle. So that totally sucks. Let me see if I turn it back on, because so the kiddos are headed to the laundromat to wash the clothes. I gotta go to the store real quick. I gotta go to another town that I own property. I own 2 houses and some property. But it needs a lot of work. It needs to be fixed up. So that's why I don't live out there. But I gotta go check my mail, because a lot of my mail still kind of goes to those 2 addresses. So we're gonna go get the mail, and then we'll be back in the house after that. I do have some PR packages I have to unbox and make videos for. 2 of the items, well no, 3 of the items I'm like way behind on. I should have did videos for them a long time ago. And these companies do be hitting you up when you are like behind, or they're like, Jen, whenever we see the videos, did you post it yet? Did you record it yet? They be on you. And I have another video coming too about how to start a YouTube in 2022 and how to get PR packaging, gifted items, sponsorships. So I'll show you all the tips and tricks of that in an upcoming video. But let's head on out.